Hi dear Scorpios, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general reading for all the Scorpios, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime, honey. And this is the reading from today till the 21st of October. Let's start. Your partner's current energy right now is Scorpio. Your partner's current energy right now is Ten of Swords. Okay. Scorpio, right now I feel like your partner is feeling like they have been backstabbed or betrayed or something really wrong happened to them. So they are trying to walk away, might be, or they are just trying to come out of a very negative or bad phase of their life, right? This is Ten of Swords for me is a part of betrayal. I understand. This is something that is finished now, and there will be a chance of rebirth now. This is the situation. Let me clarify the Ten of Swords in their current energy. They are feeling backstabbed, betrayed, or they are feeling like something is very negative in the energy. Something has happened. Okay, the worst is over, but yes, this is a process that they are experiencing right now. This is a process that they are going through right now. Let me clarify the Ten of Swords. Ten of Wands and the Three of Wands and the Justice could be dealing with the Libra here and or air sign, fire sign. This is Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So this person is under so much pressure, under so much burden, but they were not ready to give up. Now they are just trying to walk away and trying to do justice in this situation, trying to do justice with themselves, with their energy, with their emotions. So whatever they felt in the recent past, they are just carrying the same energy. They just want to release this burden. See, this person just want to release this burden, but they are not able to do that. They are just about to reach somewhere and they can release this burden. So this person is trying to release the burden that they are feeling, the pressure that they are feeling, and they're just trying to move on, and they're just trying to move on. And the second thing is that they are just turning their back towards you or towards this connection as of now, because they feel like this is not the right time, and they just want to do justice with themselves, with their feelings, with their emotions, with their everything, with their own happiness. So it is like this person is feeling like the worst is over now. They should get up again and they should just restart life. Okay, this is what they are feeling right now, Scorpio. What they are currently experiencing. You can say feeling, yeah. Current energy is also a feeling right now. Cool. So what is your current energy, Scorpio? Your current energy right now is, let's see, Two of Swords. You are blindfolded. This is very shady energy. Can you see this girl? She's blindfolded and there are two crows here. This is negative energy basically, and she's not able to see clearly what is happening. Okay, she is trying to unfold herself, but she's not able to do that. So it is basically in the crossroad situation. You are not able to decide what is happening with you. There is certain kind of negativity between you and them, between you and your person. I can clearly see that. But your person is trying to get up and walk. You are on the crossroads regarding a certain situation or relationship, you can say, or your emotions, you can say. This is not going anywhere from your side, and you are not able to decide what should I do. Okay, let me clarify the Two of Swords for you. Okay, so this is the Four of Pentacles, the Tower, and the King of Swords. Okay, you're holding back a lot of things. You're trying to control your emotions, trying to control your life, because after the separation or after the breakup thing, you are acting really weird. It's like really weird in the sense that you don't want to show your emotions, you don't want to show your vulnerable side to anybody. You are like, yeah, okay, I'm hurt, but I can control myself, I can control my emotions, and everything is under control. This is the situation here. So right now we're on the crossroads. What should I do? What should I do? Should I follow my passion or my profession or something like this, or should I just focus on the personal life or something that is related to your emotions? So that's why you are just trying to hold back. You are just trying to control a lot of things after this breakup or separation or whatever happened to you guys in the past. You are trying your best to act as if you don't care. Okay, the King of Swords. Swords energy is mental energy. You are playing this game by your mind, not with your heart. and that is why you are suffering, might be suffering, or that is why you are on the crossroads, because you are not able to decide what actually is happening, what the actual fuck is happening. Yeah, cool. Let's see what this person feels for you, their feelings for you, Scorpio. Queen of Wands. They feel passionate about you. They feel passionate about you. They feel happy about you. They feel passionate about this connection. So I feel like this person is feeling, or they are feeling flirty. They are feeling like you are acting flirty, or you are looking good, or you are doing something very, very passionate in your life right now. Okay, the Queen of Wands energy as feelings is telling me that this person is feeling attracted towards you. They feel like, yes, you are looking good, and you are, making them feel like they missed something in their life. They missed the opportunity to be with you. This is what they are feeling for you right now. Let me clarify. The Queen of Wands. Queen of Wands is basically someone who is wearing their heart on the sleeves, and she don't care about the world. She just wants what she wants, and she's very passionate and fiery energy. Okay, this is not a gender specific reading. I'm just telling that this is the feeling that they're carrying right now. So it's like they feel like they should take the risk with you again, might be. Yeah, there are two queens here. Queen of Wands is clarified by the Nine of Wands and the Strength card and the Queen of Swords. So you could be dealing with a Leo here first of all. So this person is deeply hurt, but they are not leaving the ground. They are holding back. They are acting courageous. They are giving you the vibes that they don't care anymore, and they are just walking away, and they are just happy in their own life and starting their own life and all that shit. But I feel like this person is highly passionate towards you, but they are just trying to hide their emotions for you. Hide their emotions, conceal their true emotions. Queen of Swords is like somebody who is having emotions, but they are concealing it, and they are concealing it with such a perfection that you are not able to see that they're lying or that they are just telling the truth. So basically this person is right now concealing their emotions, hiding their emotions from you. This person is highly passionate about you. They are deeply hurt, but they are not leaving the ground, standing their ground, and they are hopeful that in the future things might work out between you guys. Okay, right now they are holding back because they are hurt, and they are feeling highly passionate towards you, highly attracted towards you. They want to take the risk, but they are not showing it to you. This is the situation here. For some of you, it is a third party situation, like three people are involved here. So this person might be very, very confused between you or somebody else, or it could be you also. Okay, that is confused between them and somebody else. For some of you, for a minor part, Okay, let me see what this person wants from you, Scorpio. King of Cups, beautiful. This person wants love from you, King of Cups. This person wants to have mature and beautiful love with you. It's like not lustful kind of love. This is beautiful love, energy, beautiful energy of soulful love, soulmate connection, and mature love, mature, down to earth, and sweet kind of love. Okay, not lustful kind of love. This is what they want from you. Let me clarify the King of Cups. I'm getting lots of court card in your reading, so there might be lots of people involved in the equation, and that's why it is a little complicated to deal with, right? And if I'm saying like third party, it's not always a romantic partnership with somebody else. It could be anybody. Third party interferences, like a mother or a father or somebody who's close to your friends. It could be anybody. Okay, please don't make it an assumption that the third party is always a romantic connection. Sometimes it is, but yeah, not always. So King of Cups is clarified by the Empress, the Knight of Pentacles, Knight of Cups. What they want from you is they want you to work on yourself, work on your beauty, work on your career, work on your life, be the Empress of your life, and then be stable in your life. Stabilize your life first of all, financially, emotionally, and physically. Then offer a cup of love. Then go towards the love of your life. So I feel like this person wants to have a loving relationship with you, loving and caring relationship with you, because I feel like this person is highly passionate towards you first of all, and they want you to love them back because they feel like they have love for you, they carry love for you. So that's why this person wants you to love them back. This is the situation. But before loving them, They want you to be in the situation of the Empress. They want you to stabilize your emotions, to stabilize your life, your money, your business, everything about you. When you are mentally stable and emotionally stable, then go towards the love. This is what they want from you. Stabilize everything, then go to the love part of your life. Okay, maybe with them, maybe with somebody else, but this is a beautiful energy that they want you to love them, and they want you to stabilize your emotions and just, you know, have a loving energy towards them. Okay, it could be like, it could also be possible that they feel like you should just love somebody in the future when you will be able to stabilize yourself. Okay, cool. Let's see what is coming towards you till 21st of October. King of Wands, lots of court cards I'm getting you for you guys. I don't know why. King of Wands energy, so there's, yeah, highly passionate energy coming towards you. King of Wands energy, somebody with high passion, somebody with, you know, just somebody with the energy of I am going to take the risk because I have lots of passion for it and I'm not going to listen to anybody. This kind of energy is coming towards you. It could be you, it could be them, it could be both of you. And the cards are like spilled everywhere. Let me. Yeah, okay. So let me clarify the outcome for you, the King of Wands for you. King of Wands is clarified by the King of Wands, the Five of Wands, and the Lovers, Lords of Wands. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energies here, fire energies here, lots of fire, lots of passion. Gemini energy also here, Lovers. So this person is coming back towards you. I feel like you guys are going to fight with each other. There will be a fight, not like kind of physical fight, but there will be internal conflicts or internal battles, or there will be verbal fights between you guys. Okay. And then after this fight, I feel like you guys are going to reunite, and you guys are going to take a decision regarding this particular connection. King of Wands, see, this King of Wands is clarified by the King of Wands. Very, very passionate energy coming towards you. I feel like both of you will be on the same page finally, and you guys are going to fight with each other because of some petty issues and because you want to solve the equation, solve the problem. So that's why you guys are going to fight, and there will be a decision regarding this connection. You guys are going to decide what you want to do, what both of you want to do. So this is what you guys are going to do. Okay. So yes, this is the energy. This is what is coming towards you till the 21st of October. Cool. I feel like both of you are going to connect with each other on certain level, and both of you are going to feel very, very attracted towards each other, and there's attraction energy, there's love energy. The Lovers for me is lustful as well and soulful as well, and it is the card of decision making as well regarding a particular relationship. Okay, so yeah, this is happening with you guys till the 21st of October. So I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.